Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple puff stitch French beret. I hope you like it. It's so simple, so fast crocheting. You will make it easily. You need nearly a few hours. You can make a beautiful beret. I use here Angora yarns and it's nearly I use 100 grams. And you can see these sparkles here. I love it. I hope you like it. I took some photos, but not so much I will show it. I showed it. Hope you can see it more better like that. Thanks a lot for your kind comments, and I want to say so thank you for your super thanks. I'm so happy to see your really good comments. Thank you very much. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple crochet puff stitch beret. Let's start to crochet. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful beret. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. I promise you love it. You will love it. It's so simple. Only make puff stitches and chains. That's it. For close your belly using single crochet. So simple. I use here Alize Angora Gold with these sparkles. You can see that. And this quality, one ball is 50 grams and it's equal to 1.77 ounces and it's equal to 215 meters, 235 yards. It's fancy brushed yarn and this color number is I think 21. This is the lot number. You can yes, here you can wash it in 30 degrees low degree ironing and do not put in tumble dry. It's 4% of paillettes, 9% of mohair, 9% of wool, 10% of polyester, 68% of acrylic yarn consisted, and they recommend us using 3 or 4 millimeter hook in with this yarn. But if I crochet a shawl with this yarn only, I will use 3.5 millimeter hook. But I crochet the beret. I use this yarn double folded, and I use here 4 millimeter hook with double folded of this yarn, and one for this beret I use 2 balls of this quality yarn. So you need these conditions. Okay. Maybe you will choose more thicker yarn, only use one yarn, but if you use like that Angora yarn, you need double folded with 4 millimeter. Okay. If my video comes so speedy, please click on the right of the screen and slow me down. If you want to translate my video, again you can click here and select your language. I hope you like it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments and super thanks. I love them and I'm so happy with these comments and all your supports. Thanks a lot. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our puff stitch beret. Let's start crochet. We will start our beret with magic ring. Here I made a circle. Here I use double folded. I told you. Look at that. same line I get them, and then make a circle. Hold this circle like that, grab your yarn, chain 1 and not count, insert that hole, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. I will make in this hole 10 single crochet. This is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, pull that yarn a little, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Insert the 10th one and grab these all yarns together because I want to lock this space, and make slip stitch, close this hole, chain 2 and not count. Okay, now we will start to make our puff stitches. Yarn over, insert that stitch again, grab my yarn, lose it, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, lose it, yarn over, insert the same, grab my yarn and lose it. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 loops. Grab my yarn, pull through all together, locked with chain 1 and add 1 more chain. Okay, total 2 chains. Yarn over, insert the next and do the same thing again. 1, lose it, yarn over, same stitch, 2, yarn over, 3, pull through all together, here, locked with chain 1 and add 1 more. Yarn over, next stitch, 1, 2, 3, pull through all together, 1 and 2 chains. I will make totally 10 puff stitches. I complete my 10 puff stitches, come to the first one, stop here, join with a slip stitch and make 1 more slip stitch, come to chain 2 space. Now we will start to make here corners. Okay, 1, look at that here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 corners we will have. Chain 2 and not count, yarn over, insert into the same and make 1 puff stitch. Chain 2, yarn over and make 1 more puff stitch in the same space. 1, 2, 3, pull through all together, chain 2, yarn over, come to next chain 2 space and make here 1 puff. Chain 2, come to next chain 2 space and make a corner. We will make here 2 puff stitches, between of them 2 chains. 1, and make 1 more in the same, 2, chain 2, next space make 1 puff, chain 2, next space make 2 puff, because we want to make a hexagon motif, hexagon puff stitch motif. So we need 5 corner, only 1 puff, the second one 2 puff, between of them chain 2. All the puff stitches between chain 2, 4 corner you will make 2 puff. That's simple. I will show you one more time. This is the first puff, chain 2, make 1 more puff in the same, chain 2, next only 1 puff, next 2 puff, next 1 puff, next 2 puff, next 1 puff and come to the starting point. I complete and turn to you. I complete round, 2 puff, 1 puff, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 5 corner I have, Come to the first one, stop here and join with a slip stitch. Make one more slip stitch and come to corner. You will keep corners always. Okay, here. Make corner on corner. The others one puff in the chain 2 space. I will show you, it's so simple. Chain 2 and not count, yarn over, make here 2 puff. This is 1, chain 2, and the second one 2. Chain 2, come to chain 2 space, make here 1 puff, chain 2, come to next chain 2 space, make here 1 puff, chain 2. Now you come to corner, make here corner, 1 puff, chain 2 and make 1 more puff in the same space, chain 2. Look at here, I want to show you, corner always the same. Then in chain 2 space you will make 1 puff, corner on corner. You will keep repeat. I repeat here, look at that, from the first round, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 rounds I crochet like this and make the hexagon bigger and bigger. After that, every chain 2 space I make 1 puff stitch. I will show you, and I want to give this width to you. You will increase, maybe you will use different yarn, so your rounds number will be different, but the width 28 centimeter until you will make your increase your hexagon until you have 28 centimeter. Okay, I will make mine hexagon, then turn to you and I will show you. I crocheted 5 rounds more, not make any increases. Okay, not make these corners, make a puff stitch in every space. You can see that here 1 2 3 4 5 6 rounds I crocheted, and I want to give you measurements from top to end, 22 centimeter. Okay, now we will keep close our benny here, chain 1 and not count, insert into the same space, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. Next chain 2 space, single crochet, next space, single crochet. I will turn all around, make 1 single crochet in every each stitch, and automatically shrink this benny. Turn all around and turn to you. Okay, I come to end and you can see how it gets closer and shrink with only making single crochet in every each space. Okay, come to the first single crochet and join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and not count, and make 1 single crochet in the same stitch and keep making your single crochets in every each stitch. Turn all around. Okay, I will keep repeat these rounds, nearly 5 or 6 rounds. I complete and turn to you. I will tell you how many rounds I turn all around. I complete and turn to you. I crochet 5 rounds, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and lock my yarn here and hide my tail. I will hide it later. That's the inside. This is the front side. I think it's so simple and beautiful beret. I hope you like it. It's so fast crocheting, and only you need with my quality yarn, 100 grams of yarn. It's enough for this penny. I hope you like it and you will try that. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.